local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, it's not often I actually look forward to knowing a couple of days of cold weather's ahead of us. And it's not so much that, it's what's going to happen immediately after as we get into a pattern change. Beautiful shot here from the Bismarck Skycam. Just a nice night. There is going to be pockets of snow tomorrow as well as what's going on right now. It's not going to be heavy or anything like that, but snow's still possible. It's going to get colder for a couple of days, and at night there will be locations that go below zero. And some of the wind chills could be 10 to 15 degrees below zero. But it's not going to last long because the warm-up will begin as early as Friday. Right now, here's a look at the radar, and this is really light snow everywhere, and this is kind of moving away from Bismarck right now. You can see it southeast of Steele. Again, very, very light. Now, this looks like it might be heavy right here. That's the wind farm. But otherwise, we're just talking about just flurries, that kind of thing, nothing substantial going on. Now, it has been colder in the north than in the southern part of the state. Teens in the northwest right now. But how about this? Bismarck at 32. Linton did even better than that at 36. Beach 30, Hettinger 29, and it has been colder in the north, teens in 20s, mostly 20s. Even that's not bad considering it's December, but not as nice as the southern part of the state. Now, the wind has actually dropped off a little bit. We were closer to 15 to 20 mile an hour wind, while there's still one at Hettinger at 21 mile an hour, but the wind has backed off just a tiny little bit in the past couple of hours in the north as well. They were just a couple of miles an hour stronger than this. Well, still westerly 10, 15 mile an hour as an average, and that's just making those temperatures feel a little bit colder than they really are. So here's that little bit of snow that we have going through the area. There's the Alberta Clipper that's heading our way. It's not a real big one. It'll be real fast moving. Around the rest of the country, boy, that big swirler, that is a big storm, but it's really not going to impact our weather. Right now, it's just rain for the California coast. Many states having some light snow, but this isn't what you would call a big blizzard or anything like that. But I wanted to show you about the pattern changes on the way, and I've jumped ahead to Sunday. So here we are Sunday afternoon, and notice these colors up here. Look how far north that cold air is. It's going to actually start warming up as early as Friday. Saturday could be in the 30s, but look at this. On Sunday afternoon, that cold air is really pushed farther north, and then here we are Monday of next week. Look at that cold air. It is a long way away. Tuesday, that cold air is a long way away. Wednesday, ditto. Thursday, it's just, boy, it just looks like several days of much warmer weather. And as I told you yesterday, the Climate Prediction Center is saying we should have above normal temperatures at least through the end of the month. Now, that doesn't mean we won't have a cold day, because we probably will. In fact, we've got 2 cold days ahead of us. But overall, until the end of the month, temperatures should be above average. So let's go ahead and take a look at the precision cast. Here we are tonight. Not much going on. And then tomorrow, you see little bits of snow here and there, most of it in the southwest. Again, that's not heavy. The arrow's getting a little longer. It is going to be breezy tomorrow, so no matter what the temperature is, it is going to feel colder. Now, when you get up tomorrow morning, teens and 20s, some of the temperatures in the west could actually start going up by the time you wake up. And then by 12 noon, it is still going to be kind of a chilly day. And then throughout the afternoon, in the 5 o'clock hour or so, teens and 20s, which is a little bit below normal, but not a lot. But we do have those couple cold nights. In the north, there will be some areas that go below zero, and wind chills 10 to 15 below in all likelihood. But there it is. And then as we look in the southern part of the state, that chance of snow, it's still going to get cold, just not as cold. But Lauren, look at that next week, 30s. That's great weather.
Keep talking, Tom. I'm all ears. Thank you so much.